Now that Citroën's Red Army had rebuilt Kris Meeke's Citroën, it was time for the Northern Irishmen to repay them.
9 tightens after junction. Neat opens 100.
He all but matched Tanak and Ogier on stage 13, but whereas his big off on Friday was blamed on the car, this one was down to him. Look away if you get dizzy watching the washing machine on the spin cycle. Airball for what must have been hundreds of metres, it was all over in a flash. Nothing the Red Army could do to fix that now.
Watch the most spectacular moments from every rally. Get WRC Plus with all rally highlights now.